You might have seen pictures like this online of Booker. Question is, does Booker look like this? Today we debut a new episode. It's called Instagram versus Reality. Hi guys, once again welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, hit the like button. Today we are here at Booker to examine three things. Does the ambience look like it looks like on social media? Is the service great? And most importantly, is the food great? And is it affordable? Let's go. Guys, so I don't know, the lighting isn't working that great here, but the last time I was here I ate beans plus some meat and and plantain. But today I think we'll order the same combo, like meat and beans. I think it's called red, and then we will add kelewele instead of plantain because I've grown to love kelewele. So let's wait for that to be brought and then we can dive in. You know, a place is bougie when they bring groundnuts to have water with. Anyway, wait till you see the bill. Yep, guys, so the food is here and it's ready. I have requested that we shift where we were sitting. Yeah, thank you. We shift where we were sitting because I was unable to shoot from there. So this is easier. So thank you. The food is here, so let's dig into it. I really like kelewele. I think there's that spice to it. So, I mean, let's do this. This is good, guys. Yes, when you're almost swallowing it, then the spice hits you, which is so good. It's not easy to eat Ghanaian food because you have to eat with your hand to enjoy it. So I'm going to shoot a little bit and then just zoom out and enjoy my food, okay? Quick questions to the Ghanaians in the comment section. How bitter is this pepper? Like if I eat it, what's gonna happen to me? No, it's not bad decisions o'clock. Let's try the meat. Very tender, very juicy, very nice. I am happy, y'all. Wait, how do you eat like in the Ghanaian like food space? Do you take small bites or do you just scoop as much as your hand can and just stuff it in your mouth? This is the problem of being in restaurants. You have to act decent. Yo, this food is good. I'm gonna what? I'm gonna zoom out. People are looking at me. It's so weird, but anyway, I'm gonna like stop recording, finish eating, and then I'll come and give you a review of how the food is. And when I thought I only had one meat, guess what? I found another piece of meat and another piece of meat. Yo, come and give Buka all your money because this is too much meat. I'm happy. I am happy. And just look at how tender the meat is. Just look at it. Look at it. I know it doesn't look good on the camera, but you guys. And I know how unlikely it sounds, particularly if you're not Ghanaian, that someone is eating meat and beans. But let me tell you, this thing slaps like nobody's business. Am I allowed to lick my hands in a public restaurant? Anyway, it's my money. It's my money, right? We can do it. It's my money, right? You guys, by the way, I used to be a TV anchor. What happened to me, I don't know. I became as good as anyone can ever get. Anyway, time for a water break because I'm not Ghanaian. And spice sometimes just does a number on me. Guys, so I'm almost done eating. This is all the food that I have left. But, hear me out. Here, when you want them to pack your food, they'll charge you 5 cedis for packing. Sis, I'm saving my money. So I'm gonna take a break, chill for the digestion to take place, then I'm gonna continue eating. In the meantime, enjoy the shots of Buka. Guys, remember how my plate was looking like when we started? This is how it looks like. I talked myself out of the idea of eating this. Anyway, I am so full. I want to go clean these hands. And then I come back and we do like a quick wrap up or a review of how the food was and the service. Guys, so a quick recap of the place because we are done eating. Yeah, I've eaten well. My lipstick is still holding shape. So, one, the ambience exactly as it was on the pictures. Like, I mean, you've seen it, it's just as dope, as cool, as serene as it was in the picture. The food was great. I mean, like when you see it on IG, you can't know if the food is great or not. I think the food is great. The flavoring is great. The papering is just enough. Like whether you're Ghanaian or not, you can come here and eat. I feel like the pepper is fair enough for Ghanaians, or maybe if they hear your accent and they feel like you're not Ghanaian, they just go easy on the paper. Because I didn't request, but I've been able, I only paused once to drink water for my water break, which is good enough. And then the customer service, I mean, like it's been great. The manager is doing rounds on the floor. I needed to change where I was sitting because the place that I was sitting, the lighting wasn't that great for the video. And like, he was just like, are you okay? And help me move. So, I mean, it's great. Cost-wise, it's also very effective in Accra, man. If you can get a place where, a fanciest restaurant where you can sit and eat something for 50 cedis, 45 cedis, 60 cedis, my friend, you found a gem. So guys, that's all we had for you on the vlog. I'm gonna like walk around and try and take some pictures so we can see if the how do I put this? Like, can you photograph the place in a way that it looks on Instagram? Well, the photos look as good as they look on IG. Maybe it could be the models that pose, or maybe it's just the place that looks nice. So that's the last thing we'll do. Then we are out.